What's the meaning of acquiescent? Acquiescent. 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 The word acquiescent refers to someone who is willing to comply with something without putting up any resistance or objection. When someone is acquiescent, they are generally submissive and passive in their approach, and are likely to go along with the views and opinions of others without expressing any dissenting viewpoint. The outcome of an acquiescent attitude can vary, depending on the situation. In some cases, it may help to maintain social harmony and prevent conflict. However, it can also lead to people being taken advantage of or not having their needs or desires met, for fear of speaking out or causing a disturbance.